Welcome back guys to a new tutorial for AI power SCADA. This time we will learn how to monitor machine energy and prevent failures with n8n. So we'll monitor the energy consumption of our industrial machine in real time using n8n and AI. In this tutorial we simulate energy data, analyze it with Ollama AI, generate alerts if consumption is abnormal and log everything in Google Sheets. This is perfect for predictive maintenance and smart factory automation. So what you learn: how to simulate industrial machine energy consumption with n8n, how to use AI to analyze and predict risks, how to create automatic alert based on thresholds, how to log the data in the Google Sheet for tracking and analysis. Okay, let's start the workflow. Okay, so first you have the schedule trigger that it's set for the trigger interval 3 seconds. Okay, will automatically run the workflow at a regular interval, this schedule trigger. After that, we have the function node to simulate the energy data between not 50, between 80 and 150 kilowatts hour. Okay, let's execute to simulate. You see every time we execute, you have a different value. That is the SCADA that tell us. That function simulated the real-time energy consumption of a machine. Okay, let's continue. After that, we have the Ollama AI with the prompt message. We will use this AI to predict risk based on simulated energy consumption. So you will have this prompt: analyze the energy consumption value in one sentence. JSON consumption for an industrial machine. Return your analysis here. Let's execute to see. So the AI response is that an industrial machine consuming 81 kilowatts hour represents a moderate energy demand requiring careful monitoring and optimization to minimize operational cost. Okay, so we want this text from AI prediction to merge with the data from the code with the consumption into one field. So the merge node will choose mode combination and combine all possible combinations. So you have the consumption and the text, and all of that we'll put in another function. Okay, within this function, we want to check if energy consumption exceeds the threshold. This threshold from here, 120 kilowatts hour. Okay, and generate the alert message for monitoring. Let's see for our example. So you have the consumption, the text, and the alert is false because it's not larger than 120 kilowatts hour. So alert is false and message okay. Perfect. Let's put all of this in the Google Sheet. So we have the append row operation. From list, we have our document that I denominate AI Power SCADA. Let's open it. Okay. And the map column automatic. Let's execute. Okay. Now let's see in the Google Sheet. Okay. So you have the alert false, the message, and the message that it's okay, that its alert is false. But let's see if alert is not false and it's the temperature more than 120. Let's see what I simulated here. So let's execute again. Let's put here no, let's activate the trigger. Okay, and now let's execute the workflow to see at every 3 seconds other value. Okay, here is the true. We have okay. You see every 3 seconds you have another value. and other text. So at 143 you have industrial machine represents a significant energy demand, require careful consideration for operation efficiency and potential optimization. So the alert is true, and you have the message from AI. So every time we have another in this consumption fuel another value. So that is the video for today, guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.